Hello everyone, welcome to the Tenorshare channel. Have you ever encountered such a situation? You want to reset your long idle iPhone 8, but you forget the password. After trying several times, the screen directly displays iPhone unavailable. Don't worry, today I will teach you 3 simple methods to easily reset your iPhone 8, even if you completely forget the password. Method 1. Factory reset with Tenorshare 4U key. The first method is to use Tenorshare 4U key, a tool specially developed for unlocking iPhone and iPad. It can easily unlock and reset your iPhone. If your phone is disabled or you completely forget the password, this is the most direct and simple method. First, connect your iPhone and put it in recovery mode. Press and release the volume up button. Press and release the volume down button. And then press and hold the power button until you see the Connect to iTunes or computer logo appear on the screen. Open 4U key. Click the blue Start button. Download the firmware according to the software prompts. Wait patiently for a while. After the firmware download is complete, click Start to remove. The software will start to restore your iPhone to factory settings. The whole process takes less than 10 minutes, and there is no need for complicated operations. Okay, after the reset is complete, your iPhone 8 will restart, and you only need to complete some initial settings to enter the phone normally. Using 4U key to reset iPhone does not require Apple ID and password. You can easily reset your phone with one click, which is very convenient. Method 2. Factory reset using iTunes. The second method is to use iTunes, which is Apple's official tool. You can use it with confidence. First, insert your iPhone 8 into the computer and put the iPhone into recovery mode as before with 4U key. Then open iTunes. iTunes will pop up a prompt. Select Restore in the window. It can reset your iPhone and will not update your system. Then download the corresponding firmware according to the software prompts to operate. You can restore the factory settings. Method 3. Factory reset using iCloud. The third method is to restore the factory settings through iCloud, which is suitable for users who have forgotten their passwords but have turned on the Find My iPhone feature. First, open the iCloud official website in a browser and enter your Apple ID and password. Then select the device you want to restore to factory settings in the device list. Click Erase this device. Enter your Apple ID again to verify your identity, and then follow the prompts to restore your iPhone to factory settings. However, please note that this method requires your iPhone to be connected to the network and logged in with your Apple ID. These are the 3 methods for factory resetting your iPhone when you forget your password. No matter which method you use, I recommend that you back up important data in advance to prevent data loss. Okay, have you learned the 3 methods today? If you think Tenorshare 4U key is the most convenient to use, remember to click the link below to download it. If you have other questions about iPhone, please tell me in the comment area, and see you next time.